ponder how the affluent establish their fortunes. It's all about mastering the real estate game. Picture properties appreciating while you sleep, a steady flow of income, and a portfolio that radiates diversity. Who wouldn't crave that, eager to venture into real estate but unsure where to begin? Well, you are in luck. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the 5 smart ways to start your real estate investment journey. Now, let's face it, being a landlord might not be on your bucket list if you've ever handled those late night calls about bugs and leaky pipes. But when executed skillfully, real estate investing can be remarkably rewarding, especially in today's era of high interest rates. Beyond that, real estate lets you diversify your investment portfolio while potentially generating a passive income stream over time. And guess what? Many great real estate ventures don't demand around-the-clock tenants pampering. It's completely normal for investors to feel uncertain about where and how to kickstart the real estate journey. So let's dive right in with the first option. Number 1. Traditional or conventional investment model. Imagine snagging a property or entering a long-term lease, then renting it out to individuals or businesses. It's the straightforward path to real estate investment. While it's uncomplicated, it requires a notable upfront investment and ongoing maintenance expenses. You've got to make sure the property is legally sound before investing. For commercial properties, you'll need to follow specific registration procedures. After successfully registering, you can market the property's availability to potential tenants. For instance, you put in $30,000 to secure a mortgage for a house, spend an additional $20,000 on renovations, and rent it out. The rental income covers your costs and adds to your bank account. As the property's value rises, you decide to sell, making a nice profit. This is the traditional real estate model, turning $50,000 into more through a clever property maneuvers. But here's the thrill: the benefits are as startling as they come. Steady income stream. Your property becomes a golden goose, laying a consistent stream of rental income. Individuals and businesses pay to use the space, ensuring a regular inflow of cash. Wealth building through appreciation. While you are enjoying that rental income, your property's value is often climbing too. Real estate tends to appreciate over time, building wealth as the property becomes more valuable. Tax advantages. Real estate investors often benefit from a range of tax deductions. Maintenance costs, property management fees, and even mortgage interest can often be written off, reducing your overall tax burden. Diversification. Your investment portfolio gains a sturdy pillar with real estate. It's a tangible asset, different from stocks and bonds, providing a unique layer of diversification that helps mitigate risks. Hedge against inflation. As prices rise, so does the value of your property, and so does your rental income. Real estate can act as a hedge against inflation, ensuring your investment retains its value over time. Now, let's say you don't want to invest $30,000 upfront. Let's scale it down. Number 2. Real estate investment groups. Looking for real estate ownership minus the management fuss? REIGs are the answer. To join, you need financial capacity and funding access. REIGs are like mini mutual funds for rental properties. A company acquires or builds apartment complexes or condos. Investors buy individual units through the company, becoming part of the group. A management company oversees tasks like upkeep, marketing vacant units, and screening tenants, earning a portion of the rental income in return. For example, by investing $10,000 in a REIG, You gain a share of rental income from a prime apartment complex managed by professionals. Here's the cherry on top: diversification. With your investment spread across multiple units, your risk is diversified. No putting all your eggs in one basket. Passive income, zero stress. You reap the rewards of property ownership without the day-to-day stress. Professional management. Your investment is in expert hands. The management company brings their A-game to upkeep, tenants selection, and more. Assets without property purchase. Even with limited funds, you can get a piece of the real estate pie. You are part of the group without the need to buy an entire property. Expertise and time saving. Say goodbye to late night maintenance calls and tenant interviews. The management company takes care of these time-consuming tasks. Curious for more? Hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Up next is number 3, house flipping. House flipping is the thrilling side of real estate. It's for the experienced, involving pricing savvy, enhancements, and strategic marketing. Cash is key, along with renovation skills. Think of it as a daring dance in real estate. Flippers have a unique rhythm. They swoop in, grab undervalued properties, and aim to flip them for profit in under 6 months. They know when a property has potential. If it doesn't, they move on. However, the caution is that if a flip doesn't happen quickly, trouble might brew. Without reserves for mortgages, things could go downhill. But there's also the savvy flipper, buying cheap, renovating, and turning plain homes into gems. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on 1 or 2 properties at a time. Let's take a look at the benefits. Profit surge. Turn property into profit with strategic buying, renovating, and selling. Creative control. Express your style through renovations, boosting value. Speedy returns. Fast track your investment with quicker sales, personal fulfillment. Financial gains and the joy of revitalization. Tax advantages. Potentially leverage tax benefit. For instance, buy a worn-out house for $150,000, invest $40,000 in upgrades, and sell for $240,000. A neglected property turns into a $50,000 profit, or you can explore. Number 4, real estate investment trusts. REITs offer real estate exposure without complexity. They are like enchanting elements of the stock market. Companies use the funds to acquire and manage properties, trading on exchanges. The brilliance: REITs distribute 90% of profits as dividends by passing corporate taxes. This suits those seeking stable earnings. REITs open doors to ventures like malls and offices, usually off limits. They are liquid too. No real estate agent needed to cash out. Now the benefits: effortless real estate access. REITs provide a hassle-free entry into real estate. Diversification. With REITs, your investment spread across various properties. It's a spellbinding way to diversify your portfolio without the complexities of direct ownership. Profits unleashed. Companies use your investments to acquire and manage properties. And the enchanting part: they distribute 90% of profits as dividends by passing corporate taxes. Broadened horizons. Venture into properties like malls and offices that were once reserved for deep pockets. Liquidity. Unlike traditional real estate, REITs are liquid. No need for a real estate agent. You can cash out easily on exchanges. REITs come in 2 flavors: equity, property owners, and mortgage, real estate cash flow experts. For example, invest $10,000 in a commercial REIT. Professionals manage properties and tenants. As properties make money, you earn a share and can sell the REIT shares for a return. Seen those fix and flip success stories on TikTok and Instagram? Number 5. Fix and flip. Popular on social media, this trend is for experienced builders, with some funds spot properties needing TLC, renovate and sell to real estate players for profit. It's about quick ownership and big gains. With good research, instead of permanent ownership, you reduce maintenance and admin duties. Knowing the market and costs is key. Teaming up with an astute partner transforms the game. Benefits. First, we have cash flow surge. Turn your investments into a steady stream of income by selling multiple properties throughout the year. And then, wealth acceleration. Successfully flipping properties can expedite wealth building by generating profits to reinvest. For example, buy a rundown house for $160,000, spend $40,000 on upgrades, and sell for $280,000, a $50,000 profit in months. These are the 5 paths to real estate investing. Start by deciding your investment, time frame, and involvement level. The journey begins with these choices. If you want to explore more money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay curious and stay invested.